Day 2 of Second Time Flippers. Yesterday, I had my boys over here and they just got to have some fun destroying a wall. Disassembled the cabinets that were here, but otherwise it was like a half day. So today, the goal is going to be removing this wall. I have a big question about this beam here. Is it some kind of structural load-bearing thing? 2, you see it's got this like scalloped edge, so I'm like, man, is it worth removing that? Because that means I'm gonna have to go in and feather, like do some drywall work. But there's this sweet skylight here, and if you're standing in this room and that header is there, then you can't see the skylight. So I think it's worth it to remove that and to be able to see that skylight. The kitchen won't have a delineated space. Instead, it'll just have, like, say, this big open floor plan. So that means getting rid of this whole blue wall here, including that white header space. And then I'll have to do something with that green section to finish that. But otherwise, that's the goal. Get rid of this wall, this header, and then also I'm gonna switch. That door is gonna go in the window space. They're both 32 inches. Take out that window and let's see if we can make it happen.
All right, so we had a bunch of power sources. Turned off the power, not to the whole house, because we still want the furnace on. Well, obviously that light switch is still on. But otherwise, we've got all these outlets off. So then I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna snip these so that we can just really lay into this wall and just destroy it all.
Okay! I anticipated this was going to be like a 15-minute like demo. Like we basically just run into the wall and it just falls over. 2 problems with that. 1, this wall was really well built, and 2, even if we did, we still would, like, you can't carry out an entire wall out of a house. So you still have to dismantle it. So tear apart the drywall and the 2x4s and get it into pieces where you can actually like carry it out and then throw it in a dumpster. So anyhow, ended up demoing it. Another friend came by, which was awesome. So Terry is wanting to learn some things. She's in trade school and she just wanted some like real life applications. So I was like, yeah, hey, best way to learn how to install a window is to learn how to de-install a window. So that's what she was kind of working on. Finally here we got the beams all taken out by just chopping the screws off at the top of the posts. Man, that header was a big pain, and especially this rounded quarter round drywall stuff. It was like cement put into mesh, and it all just like held together really well. It was a pain to get down and tear apart. Made a big mess, left a big hole in the ceiling. Not a huge deal, we'll just end up having to drywall over that. But we got everything down, so all in all, it was a success. All right, here we are at the end of the day. We've got some holes in the ceiling. That's not awesome, but as long as there aren't weird creatures coming in, then not a big deal. So here's the front door again, right, coming in. So you can see where the wall was. I've torn that out. And probably gonna frame that up. That'll be the edge of the kitchen. Need to take all the flooring out still. We took that window out. We're gonna move this door over to where the window is. That'll be next day. We've got all this demo debris, bags and bags of it, but we're gonna wait to bring a dumpster in until we are officially done with demo. I'm pretty sure back this direction. Oh, wait, who's that man? We're gonna do something with these doors and destroy more stuff. And the bathroom, of course, up here still has that tile, and we need to get rid of all this tile. So there still is gonna be more to demo. We'll probably bring the dumpster in that day. But there you go. Here's today's work. Dusty sort of day, but fruitful. So tune in next time for Second Time Flippers, The Lake House Project.
The Handyman.